Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. I'm just really happy right now because I'm done working for the week. Completed the 70-hour week. It was crazy. It went by really fast, mainly because I had no plans all week basically except last night. So basically I was literally just working, so I kind of lost track of time, but it went by super fast. It was nice. It wasn't really miserable at all. I started on Sunday with 14 hours and then 12 hours the rest of the day, Monday to Thursday, and then I did 8 hours today. So that brings me up to 70 hours. And I was gonna say something else. Aston Martin. Yeah, totally lost my train of thought. Anyways, so the stuff I worked on today was, again, the stuff in the ceiling. I think I did make up a bunch of the lighting boxes this morning. I worked on a bunch of the lighting boxes this morning, just doing makeup, and then also someone else started running the low voltage because they actually wanted all of that dimmed in the ceiling in those big open areas. So if you see that in the pictures, that's what it is, the little white wire for dimming. And then at the very end of the day, I made up the controllers, which is what controls the lighting. So basically it takes it from, I think it's like kind of like a transformer, if I'm correct. It goes from 120 down to the low volt. No, maybe that's not right. That doesn't sound right. Anyways, so working on the lights, and then also working on like 6 exit signs. Those were fun, super easy. I really enjoy doing the exit signs. It takes up time and it doesn't irritate me or anything. It's not really that tedious, but it's just kind of enjoyable for me. It's kind of therapeutic, I guess. So basically just doing exit signs, doing some makeup in the lights and the controllers, I think, if I said all that correctly. So it was a super easy day, went by super fast. Basically at 9 o'clock, I thought it was 10 o'clock at 9 o'clock, so I had like 2 more hours to lunch, and I was upset because I thought I only had an hour left. But then at 1 o'clock, I thought I had 2 hours left till like 3 o'clock, or till 2 o'clock actually. Basically I get off at 2:30, but at 1:30 I thought I had 2 more hours to go until I realized I only had an hour, so I was really excited about that. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys the pictures. I probably haven't showed you that yet, so anyways, I'm going to show you the pictures and hopefully you enjoy. It's basically just going to be the pictures today because people were still working. A bunch of people showed up like late this week. I think one guy showed up 3 hours late today, and then yesterday someone showed up an hour late or something. So they're staying late to make up some time, but other than that, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop it a like and subscribe. It would greatly help me out. This dude just tried to T-bone me, so that was fantastic. Anyways, if you guys wouldn't mind supporting me, I'd greatly appreciate that. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, God bless. I will see you probably back on Monday at the latest. Anything else I got to say? Yes, make sure to check out the description for social medias. Click the notification bell if you would like to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams, mainly for the live streams because live streams are awesome and I enjoy hanging out with you guys and basically answer questions, any live questions that you guys have, or just if you guys got any other questions, whether work related or just like live questions. Super fun to do that, so I always enjoy doing that, which I don't do enough, but I will try to do some more of that. So anyways, guys, I will see you later. God bless. Have an awesome weekend. Stay safe out there and have an enjoyable one, guys. Peace out.